Anything wild? This deal?
Yeah, the one night jacks of wild.
Oh God, why's my luck so bad?
You're Mitch, baby.
I'm out of the closet.
1, 2, 3.
Anyone want a shot?
Yeah, but don't shoot me. Yeah, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. I'm Mitch.
Just go get some Chinese.
When I'm losing, you always want to eat. Go, get off the table, Mitch. The only thing that belongs on this memory table is whiskey and chips.
I haven't gotten anything right this far. I got a pair! Well, here's my joke. What do you call a French man wearing sandals?
Just deal.
Why, you call him Philippe Philop. Get it?
I ought to go home pretty soon. I'm out of the closet again.
Shut up.
I got a sick, wicked-ass mother at home. She don't go to sleep until I come home. She's awesome that way.
Then why don't you stay home with her?
She says to go out, so I go out. But I don't enjoy myself. All the while I wonder how she got so awesome.
Oh, crikey. She sounds sick. Go home then.
You all are married, but I'll be alone when she goes to the store. I'm going to the bathroom now.
Mate, hurry bizzle back. And then we'll fix your sugar teeth.
Oh, lay an egg.
The game's still going on. Oh, my dear baby sis. Why on earth do I look like such a moo-moo cow? Do I look done in?
I know, you look positively lovely, Blanche, baby.
Oh, no.
Well, I see you boys are still at it.
Where were you at, Bane?
Blanche Matic and I'm sure. Blanche, this is Mr. Gonzalez and Mr. Hubbles. Stanley, how much longer is this game going to continue?
Till we get ready to quit this shit.
Perk is so fascinating. Could I give it to Boo?
You could not. Why don't you whistle women go up to Eunice? She's so nice. Is that why your name's Eunice?
No, it's because it's nearly 2:36. Couldn't you call it quits after one more hand?
That's not fair.
Stanley, not at all! This is what I cried at my ugly!
It makes me so mad when he does that in front of people.
Yeah, it's so embarrassing. Oh, baby Stella, sister baby star. I think I will bathe.
Again? Holy moly! Why?
My nerves are in knots like those bagels. Is the bathroom occupied?
I don't know.
Oh, good evening.
Hello.
Blanche. This is Harold Mitchell. My sister, Blanche Dubois.
Oh, how do you do, Miss Dubois?
How's your mother, Mitch?
About the same things. She appreciated you sending over that custard. It helps with her aches and her wrinkles. She loved it. Excuse me, please.
That one seems superior to the others.
Yes, he is.
I thought he had a sort of sensitive look in his eyes, I think.
His mother is sick.
Oh, that's awesome. Is he married?
No, Stanley is the only one in his crowd likely to get anywhere.
What makes you think he will?
Look at him!
I have.
Then you should see and know. You ought to see their wives.
Oh, I can imagine. Big beefy things, I suppose.
You know the big beefy one upstairs. One time, the blaster.
Cut out the conversation in there.
You can't hear us.
Well, you can hear me, and I said to hush up.
This is my house and I'll speak as much as I want to.
Stella, don't start a row.
He's half drunk. I'll be out in a minute.
turn that on in there?
I did, do you mind? Oh, hello. Sorry, the little boy's room busy right now.
Yeah, we've been drinking beer.
Oh boy, do I not like beer.
Oh, sure, but it's a nice hot weather drink, lady girl.
No way, man, it always makes me hot. Have you got any ciggies?
Sure.
What kind are they? You know, Lucky's are for mama's boys.
They are luckies.
Oh, that is a super cute case. What is it, Tin?
No, silver. Read the inscription.
Wow. Oh, but I can't make it out. Oh. And if God choose, I shall but love thee better after death. Why, that's from my favourite poem by Mrs. Browning.
You know it?
Certainly I do.
It's a pretty sad romance.
Oh.
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, sorrow makes for sincerity, I think.
It sure brings it out in people.
Show me a person who hasn't known any sorrow and I'll show you a superficial. Oh, listen to me, my tongue's so thick. The show let out at 11 and we couldn't come home on account of the poker game, so we had to go somewhere and drink. I'm not accustomed to having more than one drink, and two's the limit, and three. Tonight I had 3.
Deal me out! I'm talking to Miss
Dubois.
Dubois?
Dubois, like the boys.
Dubois.
Yes, it's a French name. It's a nom français. It's French for name in French. You can remember it by that.
Mm. So are you married?
No, I'm an old maid school teacher.
You may be a school teacher, but you're not an old maid.
Oh, what gallantry.
Coming!
Gracious, what lung power.
Drunk animal thing, you. If any of you have any sense of decency, you'll go home.
Stella, watch out!
If you lay a hand on me, I will.
Oh, my sister's gonna have a bloody baby, you nasty little boy!
Stella, come! Up here! Come! Shut your dang mouth! Quit that howling and get back to bed! Stanley, I don't want you in here!
Stella, you nice. I want my girl back.
She ain't coming down there no more, so shut up or I'll get the law on you.
Stella!